Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to change that. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is Pisces. I need you to stand up and be counted. It is courage. I need you to be the best you, fearless, not fearful. I need to make sure that you're not being selfish, you're being selfless, being ready to be serviceful, to make sure that you live your purpose. Have the courage. When no one is supporting you, when no one believes in you, no one knows the goal, because you are every zodiac wrapped into one. Therefore, you have a very special purpose that is going to help evolve the whole entire world. No one will be able to see it. No one will be able to understand it until you create it. And therefore, when their needs are met, they say, wow, I understand. And we thank you, Pisces. So I want you to have courage. Dig deep. Remember what's brought you to this point. Remember your regiment, your routine. Remember your purpose. And even if you're alone, leaders are alone. Leaders have to lead the flock. Leaders need to lead their community. And you need to be able to stand tall as one to be able to do that. I'm stronger than the fear and bigger than any doubt. Doubt and fear, you look it in the eye, it will flee and run away. And then you continue to be that warrior who you are, to protect, to lead, and to serve. I am light and I remain light. You're the lighthouse. Everyone is looking for a way to safety, and you need to shine, baby, shine, so you can show them the path, be the torch to take them out the wilderness into their promised lands, into their new abundant season. I trust God and I stand tall before the tests of life, because tests only make you stronger. And then as stronger you are, the more blessings that you can maintain, because blessings are not weightless. They have their own weight, but you stand before the test of life and become stronger. You can maintain more blessings without stumbling. On the roughest days, you can just feel like a feather, and you'll maintain it and keep on moving and continue with your service, because we need you to stay consistent, because the world needs your consistent being, your light, your love, because you are needed. I grow to become wiser through every challenge, and I am a being of new life, and you're going to create so many beings of new life. Love one another, be kind to one another, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.